You know, in the world of enterprise IT, authority isn't something you can just claim. It has to be earned. Today, we're diving into ITSA, a name that's become a serious go-to for anyone navigating those complex VMware and Microsoft ecosystems. So, what's their secret? How did they build all this influence? Let's get into it.
Okay, let's just start with a number, 4 million. That is how many times IT professionals have hit play on ITSA's YouTube channel looking for real answers. Now, this isn't about cute cat videos going viral. This is about building a huge, dedicated audience that genuinely trusts their technical know-how.
And their reach goes way beyond video. Their website, itsa.cloud, is pulling in 170,000 visits every single month. That tells you they're more than just a popular channel, they're a full-on resource, a destination that pros depend on for that deep, technical content.
But this isn't just some faceless corporate brand we're talking about. The authority here is personal. A single post on LinkedIn from the founder, Raul Romero, can get in front of almost 100,000 people. That just shows you how much respect the expertise has within the industry from actual peers.
So, with that kind of incredible influence, what does ITSA actually do? Well, think of them as a strategic partner, the team you call to guide you through your most difficult IT challenges. Let's take a look at what they focus on.
At its heart, ITSA, which stands for IT Systems Admin, is a specialized consultancy. And their real strength, it comes from being laser-focused. They are absolute masters of a few very specific and very critical ecosystems. We're talking VMware vSphere, Omnissa Horizon VDI, and the whole Microsoft Windows world. And all that expertise translates into a really powerful lineup of services, everything from proof of concept development to specialized hosting. But, among all these, there are two areas that really stand out and define their core value. We should definitely take a closer look at those.
And here they are. Those two pillars are their expert training and their private cloud consulting. When you put them together, they really paint the complete picture of what IT excellence looks like, giving your team the hands-on skills they need, while also providing that high-level strategic vision to build an infrastructure that's ready for the future.
And the difference between these two is so important. On one side, you've got training and labs. This is all about empowering your team with practical, real-world skills. On the other side, there's private cloud consulting. This is where you get that expert, strategic guidance for your biggest, most complex projects. So one builds up your team's capability, the other sets the entire direction.
Yeah, and this is the secret sauce for the training side of things. This focus on moving from theory to practice. I mean, anyone can read the documentation, right? But having dedicated hands-on lab access, that means your team can actually build things, break things, and learn how to fix them in a safe, real-world environment. That's where true mastery really comes from.
So you might be wondering, who is all this for? Is it just for the huge corporations? Not even close. Their support is designed to scale across the entire business landscape. What's so cool about their model is just how flexible it is. They bring value to literally everyone, from a solo admin working out of a home office all the way up to a huge enterprise team managing 10,000 plus employees. It proves their solutions aren't just powerful, they're adaptable to what any organization actually needs. And inside those companies, they're connecting with people at every level. Their audience includes C-suite leaders, the CIOs and CTOs making those big strategic calls, as well as the system engineers and architects who are on the ground actually building and executing those plans. All right, so you see the expertise, you understand the services, and you know who they support. What if you're ready to take the next step? What if you want to see how ITSA could help your organization?
And that really brings us to the most important question of all, doesn't it? Is your infrastructure built just to get you through today, or is it resilient, efficient, and genuinely ready for whatever is coming next? That's the kind of confidence that having an expert partner can give you.
If that question makes you think for even a second, then the answers are right here. You can dive into their incredible resources over at itsa.cloud, watch their latest tech guides on YouTube, or just connect directly with Raul Romero on LinkedIn and start the conversation.